Immediately off the start, tons of green cubes going into the chillers. The chillers are sorting those green cubes at the top of the robots to score them very quickly. Cyberpunks 2.0 knocking off some of those reds to get that 5-point bonus per red who knocks off the post. And the chillers score a ton of green cubes into that goal. And it looks like Cyberpunks 2.0 is also getting some more green goals. We move to 35 seconds, you can now switch drivers. Cyberpunks 2.0, lining up. 25 seconds, you must have switched drivers by now. The chillers with even more greens ready to score. With 15 seconds left, can they line up in time to score them? As we move to the last 10 seconds of the match, we're going to see if any of these teams can successfully pull off the park. And Cyberpunks 2.0 get the park. Can the chillers make it? All right, qualification match 63. We have 75054A, Mechanical Thunder.